Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today I'm just going to answer a question that was in the previous video regarding the durability of Duralumen paint. The question basically asked if it holds up to handling and so forth. And I wanted to give an example. I don't have anything with Duralumen on it right here with me, but I do have my RA7 helmet that I made back in 2015 or 2014 is when I made this. And this is the original paint that I put on it. It's Alclad and it's weathered, so this is supposed to look like a dirty old helmet. And you can see it's still pretty reflective. And this has no protective coating on this at all. There's nothing on there. It's just straight Alclad on the surface. And it has held up through all kinds of stuff. I've had this at conventions, it's ridden in my car tons of times. Tons of people have handled this, and not gently. And you can see it still looks really good. The only places I have some issues in the very back here, it got just banged into something, and there's another one on the eye. So I don't even know how well this is gonna turn up on camera. Like right there, it's a little booger where it hit something. But other than that, it's been handled a bunch. The paint doesn't come off. And the reason I'm showing this, even though I don't have Duralumen available, is that the Duralumen is more durable than this. So I would say, yeah, it's probably fine without a top coat. And they make a Duralumen Tough, which is supposed to be basically not require a top coat. So it's even stronger than this would be. I think this came out really good. And I'm working on another RA7 helmet that is a 3D printed one that I've been working on. Now this is a beta version. This is actually, I'm gonna do a modded, completely new version, but I am gonna just finish this one out anyway, and I'm gonna do this one with Duralumen. So I'll go through the whole process. I made a lot of progress on this in about 2 days, and then I got really busy, so it's kind of been on hold until I clear my schedule out a little bit. But hopefully I can get back to that soon. I have the Duralumen to finish it. The cleanup stages are almost finished. I videotaped the whole process from the 3D print through the cleanup to where it's at now. There's a little bit more cleanup, and then I'll be prepping it for the Duralumen, and I'll make a video out of that. So anyway, just wanted to show that these metal paints can be, pretty durable if you apply them properly. And this, again, no surface coat. This is Alclad. Duralumen is sturdier than this. So if you're the one that asked, now you know. And knowing's half the battle, or whatever they say. G.I. Joe! All right, bye kids.